Hello po, I'm Jasmine Conyado from BEd Tutu and I would like to present to you my story plot of The Aged Mother by Matsubasho. In the exposition, I draw a situation wherein a mother and a farmer was introduced that they were happy until the leader of their province made an order. For the rising action, I draw the situation wherein the journey of a farmer and his mother going to Obat Sayuma. For the climax, yes, the love between the mother and the son still remains, but there's a huge and a big problem wherein the leader made an order again. For the following action, after doing the solution about the orders of the leader, wherein the farmer needs to burn a rope to represent as the ashes of the aged persons. From following action going to the resolution, the farmer present the ashes to their leader. And the leader was pleased, but the farmer have courage to tell the truth that he truly loves his mother. And that's my story plot about The Aged Mother by Matsubasho. That's all. Thank you.